like this video, please leave us a like and subscribe to this channel. Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be making Chinese stir-fry noodles. So the ingredients I'm going to use for this recipe are these stir-fry noodles, 1 green pepper, 1 onion, and this stir-fry mix and sauce, some General Tso sauce, some stir-fry sauce, and some soy sauce. You're gonna also need some eggs. So I do want to point out that you can buy this stir-fry mix, the ingredients separately. However, I think it's more of a pain to find all this stuff than just buying the kit. So I bought the kit. So I almost forgot one really important ingredient, which is sesame oil. You're gonna, if you have one, cook it in a wok, but otherwise just a big old pan like this would be good. First I'm gonna throw some sesame oil in the pan. Then I'm gonna throw the peppers. And then the onions in. So I'm gonna push everything to the side and throw the eggs in. And as they start to cook, so I'm gonna wait for them to cook a little bit more. And then I'm gonna mix them up. And this way we have like chunks of eggs in our mixture. Let them cook a little bit. Get in there. And there you go, that's good. And now you're gonna stir them together. We can turn the heat down a little. And that way we have some chunks of it in. Okay. Then we're gonna grab our vegetables, throw those in. Grab our sauces, throw those in. And these are 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and the 2 tablespoons of the stir-fry sauce, the General Tso's. Grab the noodles. Throw noodles in. If it'll cooperate. Oops. And I just got some extra packs of noodles because the last time I made this, it seemed like there weren't enough noodles in there. Yeah, see all those vegetables, but hardly any noodles, so I'm gonna grab another pack and throw another pack in. I'm gonna grab the sesame oil, throw the sesame oil on top, just to give it a good flavor. So as you can see, as it cooks, the noodles start to break up, and then you're left with a good mix of noodles and vegetables, and all of those flavors will combine. I've turned the heat back up since now that we've got everything in there, you need that higher heat and it'll cook everything. So I'm gonna just let it be for a little bit because I don't want to break up those noodles. So as you can see, the noodles are starting to break up more, and it's starting to create this nice looking stir fry. And if it's looking a little weak on sauce, you can add more stir fry sauce. Also some soy sauce, more of that too, just to where it looks good. I had to add a little bit more to this one because there were more noodles than I did last time. So just make sure it's stirred all up. That way everything gets the heat. Ouch. Just burnt myself a little bit. Don't do that. That's not a good part of cooking. Here is the finished product. Oh, that's a big bite.
Can I have more, please?
Yes, ma'am.